Hello, I am Tejaswini NP, working as an assistant professor in the department of ISC, Nitte University, Bengaluru. In this lecture video, I am going to give an introduction on Python programming. Here, in this lecture video, why Python? First reason is it is an open source programming language. Means Python programming is an open source programming language, which means when you write an application with a Python program, so you no need to pay any amount for that. So this is the meaning of open source. Next is it is a cross-platform programming language. So cross-platform programming language, if you write an application with the Python, so you can run the Python code on any machine. It can be a Mac, it can be a Linux, it can be a Windows. So you are not rely on any particular machine. So the Python code will take care of that. Next, foremost important reason why we need to use a Python, why we need to learn a Python is it is huge set of libraries and tools. So Python having a huge set of libraries and tools, this means that whatever the code you are going to write already written by someone to speed up the process. So whatever the code you want to run, so you can add it and you can use it in your application. So this is the meaning of huge, this is the why we prefer a Python programming language. And next is the Python programming is in high demand programming language because it is high demand in job market because the companies like Netflix, Google and NASA use this Python. There are so many other reasons are there why we need to learn Python, because it is used in artificial intelligence and machine learning and also Internet of Things, and one more is most important is big data. So these are all the many reasons why we need to learn Python.